it is Friday and I am sitting out here on my patio with my buddy Bubbles. He's sleepy. I'm super excited today because I woke up this morning and our NYC vlog already has 2,000 views just in 2 days. Like, that made me super excited. Thank you guys so much for viewing us and checking us out. If you haven't already, go and subscribe. But today's video is going to be a little different. It's actually just going to be a video of me, and it's going to be what I ate in a day. So I'm going to just share like some cool recipes that I do while I'm working from home. So I'm going to make a green smoothie. I'm going to make a cool chicken salad that I make. It's a little different. It's different than most people's chicken salad. And I'm probably going to order some sushi tonight because it's Friday and I kind of want to treat myself. So, and I also have just been craving sushi for a while now. So, just sit back and relax. I'll check back in with you guys later. So Bye. These are the ingredients that I'll be using to make my green smoothie today. I have 2 stalks of celery, some strawberries, raspberries, some ginger, some lemons, a green apple, some baby spinach. I'll also be basing this with low-fat milk. I have my blender. I have my juicer that I'll be juicing the lemons to get the juice out of there. And I have my grater that I use to actually grate the ginger to make it more smooth and to get the outer surface of it out. I'm going to get to chopping these items up so I can drink my smoothie. Hey guys, so I'm actually about to head out in a few to go to my dentist appointment. I think it's gonna rain. It's been really gloomy here in Atlanta lately, but I'm actually kind of excited that it's gonna rain because it's been really hot, so I welcome it. But I'm gonna head out to my dentist appointment now, and I'll check back in with you guys later. Bye. Hey guys, so I am back from my dentist appointment. Everything went well. Jeez. I just had a teeth cleaning, just a standard, checkup. Go to your dentist appointments if you don't go to your dentist appointment. It is super important to make sure you have good hygiene for your teeth. But I am going to make some food now because I'm actually really hungry. And I think I'm gonna make my chicken salad because I haven't had that in a while, and I bought all the ingredients for it when I went to the grocery store. So check it out. So these are the ingredients that I use to make my special chicken salad, as I like to call it. So I have some cucumber, I have avocado, 2 stalks of celery, a green and a red bell pepper, and some onion already chopped up, some chopped up chicken,
And I actually don't use mayonnaise. I actually hate it, honestly. No offense to any mayonnaise lovers out there. I still love you, but I can't get down with mayonnaise. I actually use sour cream and cream cheese. I usually buy the low fat just to stay on the healthier side, but today at the grocery store, I totally forgot to pick it up, as we can see. So I'm gonna just make it with this and it'll be okay this time around. And then I put seasoning salt, black pepper, and salt just to give it that kick and give it the flavor that it needs. So what I'm gonna do now is chop up the cucumber, the celery, and the avocado, and I will check back in with you guys later. So guys, this is our finished product. It does come out a little lime green because of the avocados that are mixed inside of it. I'm gonna end up making me a chicken salad sandwich with this Arnold's whole grains bread. I really love this bread. So here is my lunch for today. I added some carrots, cucumber, and celery on the side, as well as some Fiji water. Time to dig in. Hi guys, so I'm outside still. I'm actually gonna go inside because there is a storm coming over there. It looks really scary. Oh my God, look at the sky, it's so dark. I am gonna go in the house right now because I don't wanna get struck by lightning. Hey guys, so it is around 7:30ish here, and I just ordered my sushi. I actually ordered from Raw Sushi, which is actually a sushi place here. I believe it's a chain actually, but we do have it here in Atlanta as well, and it's super delicious and I'm so ready to eat. I actually ordered just like a different variety of different sushi for the night, and I hope it comes super soon because I'm really hungry. I'm really hungry, and I'll catch up with you guys a little bit later. So guys, this is my dinner for tonight. This looks absolutely delicious. I am so ready to eat this. So I have some tuna nigiri, some salmon nigiri, some shrimp nigiri, some salmon rolls, and some wasabi and ginger on the side. I'll be drinking a white wine for tonight. I usually drink red, but tonight I'm going to change it up. But I'm going to eat all of this up, and I will check back in with you guys a little bit later. Later that night, I was in the mood for some hot tea, so I boiled some water, and I made a nice, refreshing peppermint tea while I watched Netflix for the rest of the night. Check it out. Hey guys, so I am heading off to bed because I'm getting sleepy, but I wanted to thank you guys first for spending the day with me and seeing everything that I ate. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up,
And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to our page. If you do like content like this, please comment below to let us know so we can do more videos like this. And also just comment to just to let us know things that you would like to see on our page as well. But I am going to head off to bed now. I will see you guys in our next video. Bye.